United Nations is against the Lord Jesus. Who's behind this? The beast. What is the beast? Governmental system. One system for everyone to follow. And in Revelation 13, it says, if you are not part of the system, you cannot buy, sell. You need the Lord. Any country, any nation introduces laws that are offensive to Jesus Christ of Nazareth, the head of that nation will be brought down to the ground by Jesus Christ of Nazareth himself. Jesus is the only one. There's no one else. That's the truth. When the spirit leaves the body, whether you are Christian, not Christian, you'll understand, you'll know this. You will know this 100%. When the spirit leaves the body, you will know that it's only Jesus. There's no one else. No one else. So Christians, wake up to yourselves. And I saw the beast, the kings of the earth and their armies gathered together to make war against him who sat on the horse and against his army. The beast. Well, the beast was in Revelation chapter 13. The one that came out of the sea that had 7 heads and 10 horns, and on those horns there was 10 crowns. And we spoke about the beast. What is the beast? The beast is a governmental system that tries to enslave every human being on the face of this planet and bring them and subject them to this one governmental system. That's the beast. It is an empire without the rule of God. Godless empire. That is the beast. One world order. I don't know, you've heard of this, yes? One world order. So the one world order, they're gathering together with all the kings of the earth. That's why in verse 16, his name is the King of all kings and the Lord of all lords. Because if there are kings on earth, well, Jesus Christ is the king to every king. He rules over every leader in the world. Not the church only, but even the world. So who put Biden in the White House? Not the elites, no, it was the Lord. You see, they thought they did whatever they wanted and got away with it. They're not realizing it is the Lord who puts kings and who takes them as well. So who do we have here? Oh, Albanese. Yes, I forgot. Poor Australia. What is Australia going to do, man? You got like China from that, you got Indonesia over here, they'll eat Australia alive. So they're hanging on to America. So that's why when America sneezes, Australia gets the flu. Oh. You need the Lord. Any country, any nation introduces laws that are offensive to Jesus Christ of Nazareth, the head of that nation will be brought down to the ground by Jesus Christ of Nazareth himself. Australia. So the Prime Minister walks in the streets and says to these colors, this is the new Australia. You have no idea what the Lord is going to do to you and to your Australia. Do you think it's easy? You introduce laws that offend God, who is Jesus Christ of Nazareth, and you think you can get away with it? No America, no nation can protect Australia from the hands of the Lord Jesus. The protector is the Lord, Mr. Albanese. The provider is the Lord Jesus, Mr. Albanese, not America, not allies here and there. And this goes the same to America. I don't know, well, I'm on fire today. You walk away from the Lord Jesus, you'll become the laughter of all nations. The laughter. The laughter. You come back to the Lord Jesus, even if you are surrounded by vicious wolves, nothing will harm you. Nothing. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. For you, my Lord Jesus, who is the beginning of Psalm 23, the Lord is my shepherd. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for the Lord is my shepherd. His staff and rod, they comfort me, for the Lord is my shepherd. He has prepared a table before my enemies, for the Lord is my shepherd. Nothing harms me, for the Lord is my shepherd. Nothing. So who's waging the war against the Lord Jesus, who sits on that horse, and his army? The beast and the kings of the earth. My goodness. The kings of the earth, they gather together in this place called the United Nations. These are the kings of the earth. United Nation is against the Lord Jesus, period. United Nations is against the Lord Jesus. Who's behind this? The beast. What is the beast? Governmental system. One system for everyone to follow. And in Revelation 13, it says if you are not part of the system, you cannot buy, sell, you cannot get married, you cannot do anything. Everything becomes the system. You know, gradually, paper money is going to disappear. Have you noticed how they are readapting people to the new way of living? Before everyone had cash money with them, because everything was paper, cash. Now, if you take out cash, they laugh at you. They say, oh, you're still living in the Stone Age? And that's old-fashioned. What cash? Tap. Chick, chick. Chick, chick. Chick, chick. It's all tapping. The next step will be, thanks to Elon Musk, it'll be in the head. Oh, as the book of Revelation says, either the head or the arm. Yeah, see how the word of the Lord Jesus coming alive? Please wake up. Anybody home? No other book spoke so perfectly as the Holy Bible has spoken. No other book. Either on the forehead or in the arm. Elon Musk wants to put in the brain. I think, who was that guy? Bill Gates? Where is he now? Is he in Fairfield? On the arm. So next time you don't need to do anything. You just walk. It'll be traffic lights. A walking traffic light. When the cash goes, you can laugh at this. I really feel bad for those who work with cash money. No more cash. But I'm sure the Middle Eastern men, they always come up with ideas. You can't win with the Middle Eastern. They will outsmart the system, and you'll see a way of getting a few chips from this account and a few chips from that other account. So the system will bring everyone and force them to live there. Everything is monitored wherever you go. I don't know if I should say this, but have you noticed on your iPhone there is on one of these icons, whatever, it's got like a health thing, a heart? Yeah? Do you know what that is? They're going to say to you, like, put it on, because when you're walking, it monitors your heart rate and it tells you about how the body is functioning. It's not. Anyway, I'll talk about it later on. Don't want to scare you. Don't ever activate it.